Today, mains, I seek your wisdom. A little while back, I brought up the idea of community rankings for all Dr. Squatch bricks. Well, I think now is the time. So for this, it's going to be simple. I want you to leave your top 10 Squatch bricks in the comments of this video, and then I will count them all up and make a ranking video from worst to best, based off of which bars got the most votes. If you want, you can also leave a comment talking about one of the soaps and why you like it, and I will try to feature it in the video, as I want this to be Frick Nation and Squatch Nation discussing the bricks, not just me saying the same things I've already said a million times. I'd much rather hear your guys' thoughts on the bars than mine. I want this to be the community's list, I'm just the platform. Now, we're going to need a pretty good sample size for this to work. I want to get as many votes as possible so we can get as accurate a list as possible. So feel free to share this video, tell your fellow Squatchers, post this on the Squatch subreddit or wherever else if you want. Let's just try to get as many votes as we can. So again, top 10 bars, and each one will count as one vote. I think that's the simplest way to do this. But I think this may also become something we'll do again in the future, perhaps in a different form like the bracket. Now for this ranking, it will be all 59 bars, both OGs and limiteds, but we won't be counting repackagings like the Mandalorian bars or the Herbert Fresh, as well as the Spiced Pine since basically no one's tried that one. Now it doesn't have to be your exact top 10. If there's a bar you feel deserves more love, feel free to give it a spot instead of a more popular brick, if you like. I want to try to get every bar at least somewhat represented. So go ahead and in the comments of this video drop your top 10 Dr. Squatch bricks of all time, and leave a description for one that you would like to maybe be featured in the video. I appreciate it, mains, and I look forward to seeing your rankings. As always, stay nifty.